Hi friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn a new story. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Today's story name is The Little Door to Anywhere. Let's go.
Rowan was bored. He looked under his bed and saw a tiny little door. A little door, he whispered.
He wiggled and jiggled the tiny handle. It was hard to open. He pulled with a big, strong tug.
Too late, the little door swung open. A sweet smell of sugar filled the air. It was a candy world. Oh, what a magic world! He giggled.
He reached inside and touched a marshmallow cloud. It was soft and sticky. He touched a chocolate river. It was warm and melty.
Rowan closed the little door and then pulled it open again. What will the next world be?
Roar! A big loud sound came from the door. It was a jungle world. He could see tall green trees and a friendly monkey swinging on a vine.
Rowan closed the little door and then pulled it open again. What will the next world be?
Pop, pop, pop. 1,000 bubbles floated out of the door. It was a bubble world. He reached out to catch them.
Rowan closed the little door one last time. He looked around his room. His stuffed animals and toy cars looked a little bit like magic too.
Rowan smiled a big smile. He knew the little door was in his heart. His imagination was the biggest door of all, and he could open it, go anywhere he wanted. Did you love today's story, kids?
Yes, Mom, I loved.
Awesome. So, thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.